scratch bun, open the bun. Put it in crown. Give me that mustard.
Mayo. It's mayo.
Oh,
not
okay.
mustard.
You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Let it slowly come on down there.
10 lines.
Perfection.
Then it needs a tomato
Then
cut
we
in
need
half.
tomato cut in half. 1/4 ounce of lettuce. We garnish that like that. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? And then it says 6 to 9 pieces of popcorn.
2 ounces.
About the size of a small.
Damn. And there that thing is. You get your little wrap, right? Get your little wrap, right? See, I ain't thought about this part. I don't know. I don't know. We just gonna wrap it like a burrito. Ryan got this. I don't know.
Try it. Alright guys, I need to make a burger. Come on.
No, you don't care. We'll make it.
Make that burger, baby.
Both ends open. I can't do that.
I don't care. I got food to make. I'm sorry.
That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. Damn. Just close it in. There we go. Alright. There it is. Bam.